Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're new here, you're welcome to Pricelez Cuisine. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to keep watching delicious recipes. Today we are making this delicious puff and we are making it in the most hygienic and mess-free way. Keep watching to see how I achieve this without getting my hand messy. Have you subscribed to my channel? If yes, thank you. If no, please, why not? Please subscribe to this channel so you never miss any video from me, and to also grow this channel for me. It really means a lot. Thank you as you do so. God bless you. Before we start frying, I would like to show you what we'll be using to get that round puff shape. This for me is a lifesaver because it doesn't get messy when I'm making my puff and it saves time. This is called a meatball dispenser, and literally you only have to press to release the flour from the plastic. Close up, release, close, release, and that's it. I got it on eBay, and for me it is a go-to. It really makes my puff process easy. So yes, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to start frying. As you can see, this is a stress-free way to fry your puff. I'm literally just opening and closing the hole underneath this dispenser and my puff is frying. So this is about this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you'll be trying out this method. Like I said, the meatball, this is called a meatball dispenser. I'll be leaving the details in the description, and it was really affordable. It is on eBay and I got it for about £5. So I'll see you in my next video. Please like, comment and subscribe. God bless.